In the realm of high-performance automotive excellence, few names command as much respect and awe as BMW today. We embark on a thrilling journey into the heart of precision engineering and unbridled power, as we explore two of BMW's most formidable creations: the 2024 BMW M4 R750 Akrapovic and the R750 by Paramount Performance. Each a masterpiece in its own right, these vehicles redefine what it means to drive with passion and purpose. The R750 and the M4 are the pinnacle of performance in each of these two creatures' respective categories on the racetrack. The M4 is a formidable opponent. On a wide road, the R750 is a powerful presence. We'll be breaking down each car's specifications, design, performance, and overall driving experience during this video to help you determine which one would be the best fit for you. So fasten your seatbelt, geeks, as we're going to showcase some incredible Bavarian engineering skills. Let's first familiarize ourselves with the M4. Under a powerful engine's hood, this svelte and aggressive coupe is a real thoroughbred built to rule the racecourse. The M4 roars to life, offering heart-pounding power and thrilling acceleration. Its handling is equally amazing, tearing through corners with razor-sharp precision because of its advanced suspension system and painstakingly built chassis. Now, let's shift gears and have a look at the R750. Whether you're a weekend warrior trying to hone your abilities or an experienced driver striving for lap records, the M4 offers an unmatched driving experience. This magnificent vehicle, the R750, is designed to dominate extended stretches of pavement. A strong engine that provides seamless and smooth power, making highway cruising a lavish encounter, but don't let its comfort-focused design deceive you. When you unleash the R750's power, it accelerates with authority and handles corners with unexpected agility considering its size. The M4 and the R750 showcase BMW's dedication to innovative design and technology. The inside of the M4 is a premium material-filled driver's haven. A modern functional design with all the newest technology to keep you informed and connected. The R750's interior offers superior materials, plenty of space for passengers, and an emphasis on comfort and luxury. An entertainment system with an easy-to-use UI, so which one is the best? Genuinely relies on your driving habits and style. The M4 is the pinnacle of driving machines. It's a weapon designed for the track that will blow you away with its performance. Conversely, the R750 is a magnificent cruiser that provides an opulent and potent means of navigating the open road, regardless of your preference. This examination of these two amazing vehicles demonstrates BMW's commitment to performance, luxury, and innovation. The M4 and the R750 both stand as the pinnacle of Bavarian automotive engineering. Please feel free to ask any questions or make comments below. The BMW M4 R750 Akrapovic 2024, this isn't just a car. It's a driving experience unlike anything other. Let's start with the stunning design. The M4 R750 is available as a sleek coupe or an opulent convertible, depending on your preference. The Akrapovic M4 R750 is on a whole new level. Here's where things get fascinating. Ron's performance has elevated the already amazing Turn It Up to 11. The BMW M4 boasts a massive 3.0 liters i6 engine that pushes the boundaries of human endurance, generating 945 Nm of torque and 760 horsepower. This thing can accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in a whopping 2.4 seconds. People, this is supercar territory. But the Akrapovic M4 R750 isn't just about raw power. It's the ideal combination of performance and luxury. The interior is a driver's paradise, wrapped in comfort and cutting-edge technology, with all the bells and whistles you'd expect in a high-end vehicle. For true driving enthusiasts, there are a ton of customer optimization options. The base model has a magnificent 6-speed manual gearbox and rear-wheel drive, which is perfect for people who enjoy driving for pure enjoyment. An 8-speed automatic transmission is also available. An all-wheel drive is an option for individuals who want a smoother ride and additional grip on the track. 2024 BMW M4 R750 Akrapovic, Paramount Performance. 2024 Akrapovic BMW M4 R750. Performance by BMW M4 in 2024, willing to pay $79. 095. A fire-breathing dragon capable of high-flying acrobatics is the BMW M4 Coupe.